Hello, my friends, and welcome to your Daily Capit lesson. Today, we are on Lesson 7. Lesson
Can't.
Today, we are on Lesson 7. You might notice something different. This is a reading skill lesson. The reading skill we are going to be working with today is the apostrophe and contractions. So, an apostrophe can make two words into one. We drop a letter or two and add the apostrophe. Examples: let us, let's. Cannot, can't. So let's get started. This is the first time we see a new mark. This mark is called the apostrophe. Why is there an apostrophe in the middle of a word? Let me tell you. I will say two words, can and not. I can not wait to eat my snack. Did you hear those two words? This time when I'm saying the word, I'm going to say the same sentence using a different word. I can't wait to eat my snack. It means the same thing, but did you hear these two words? We call these words contractions, and contractions are two words like can and not that come together so fast, they smash together, and some letters pop out. And an apostrophe takes their place. So in this word, can, can't, right here is where some letters popped out and that apostrophe took their place. What letter do you see popped out in can and not? The ah is gone, isn't it? So let's see what we need to do now.
Can't.
Did you hear the word can't? This is how you spell the word can't. Now it's our turn to color the word and the apostrophe. Each sound gets its own color. K, a, n, t. The apostrophe also gets its own color. The apostrophe does not make a sound. The apostrophe takes the place of those letters that popped out. Oops. Oh, it's not letting me go because I used the wrong thing. I have to be sure I use the different colors. Oops.
Can't.
Now I'm going to spell the word can't. You can't do this? Oh, yes, you can. Still going to say my sounds. A, n, t. But I remember, that's what I hear. But right there in cannot, some letters popped out, didn't they? So it's reminding me that that apostrophe is taking their place.
Can't.
Can't.
Let's.
So this is another contraction. This contraction stands for let us. Let us go to the store. Let's go to the store when we contract it. So let's practice with this word.
Let's.
So now we're going to color each sound and the apostrophe. Ooh. E, t, s, let's.
Let's.
Let's. Now I'm going to spell with letter tiles, let's. E, t, s. And once again, it reminds me that I need to have that apostrophe take the place. If I was spelling let us, there would be a right here, wouldn't it? But those letters smashed together so hard, some letters popped out, and that apostrophe took their place. And that's a good way to remember where to put the apostrophe when you're spelling contractions.
L, A, T, S, let's.
So that was the end of lesson 7. That was just a short reading skill about contractions. Now let's go on to the spelling test on apostrophes and contractions.
Let's.
Let's. L. E. T. S. Let's. I noticed I forgot something, didn't I? If this word let's means let us, then that means something popped out here. And what is it called that takes its place? Do you remember what that's called? An apostrophe. Let's.
Can't.
Can't. And they show me here that can't is can and not. Those letters are going to come together so fast that some letters are going to pop out and that apostrophe is going to take their place. So let's clear our slate and then let's together spell can't. First thing I'm going to spell is can because the first word in an the first word in a contraction is there. So I can spell can and then I need to think can't. In this second word here, the only letter that's left is this T. These two popped out. And what takes their place? That apostrophe. Can't. So I'm only going to keep this T from that second word. Can't. Let's check it. Hearts and stars.
Quick.
Quick. Quick is not a contraction. Quick does not take an apostrophe because it's not two words brought together so quick. But I remember something about the sound qua. Qua. This sound is spelled with these two letters. Qua. Qua. I. K. I remember how to say k at the end of, not say, but I remember how to spell when I say k after a short vowel. Quick.
Let's.
Let's. Let's. While I'm dragging my screen, I'm thinking about the word let's. Now spelling is becoming a lot more than just letter tiles, isn't it? I have to think about what the word means. Let's go to the store means let us go to the store. That means let us contract, come together so fast that some letters are going to pop out. But I also know that in a contraction, the first word is going to be there. So if it's let us, let's, the word let is going to be there. So I'm going to spell that first. Let. Let's. So the in us pops out, doesn't it? Let us, let's. This apostrophe took the place of those missing letters. Hearts and stars.
Quack.
Quack. A duck can quack. I don't think I need any of these letters because I don't have any of those sounds. But I do need to think again, don't I? The first sound I hear in quack, let's think. I hear qua, a, k. But I have a lot more than 3 letters there, so I got to be careful. Qua is my first sound. And I know this is a spelling for qua. A and k. 2-letter k at the end of the word. Quack. Yes.
Can't.
Can't. And once again, they gave me the two words that come together so fast, some letters pop out and apostrophe takes their place. So I'm going to clear my board here. Not all the way. I know I'm going to need that one. So far I have k. I need to build the word can, and then think about where my apostrophe goes. First word in that contraction is can, and cannot. In the second part, I know that only this letter remains. I have can, and over here I only need t. That means the apostrophe is going to take the place of those two letters. Can, t, can't. And I don't want to lose my hearts and stars, so I'm going to check.
Quick.
Quick. I have to be quick because we only have 3 more minutes in this video. Quick. Qu. I. Quick. Let's. I know that's a contraction for let us. So I'm going to first plan to spell and then let's. So I know an apostrophe is going here because that's where the letters popped out.
Quack.
Quack. That duck is going to quack. Quack. Is this the last one? Hearts and stars, hearts and stars. Oh, one more. Can't. I like that they give me that cannot because now I can see why those letters are going to pop out. Apostrophe t. Can't. Hearts and stars? Yes. Awesome. Level up. Thank you for helping me to get my hearts and stars today. This was Level 3 Cap-It Lessons, Numbers 7 and 8. I will see you next time for our next spelling card, number 9. See you then, my friends. Remember, when you are doing your independent Cap-It practice, if you get stuck and locked out of a level, that means no problem. It means quick reteach, and we'll help you get started again. All right? Don't get frustrated, my friends. Remember to learn from your mistakes. If you make a mistake, the part of the words you missed will be read. Pay attention. Correct your mistake and learn from it. All right? That's like our spotlighting. I'll see you soon, my friends. Have fun. in Capit time.